Hey, it's your girl. I'm here to show you how to save your old pots with some oven cleaner. Now, you can pick this up at the dollar store. While you're there, also pick up some gloves, okay? Now, you're going to put this pot on the stove. You're going to heat it up. Then you're going to come back and spray it, okay? You're going to spray it just like you seen a spider in the corner, and you want to kill it, okay? So you're going to spray every nook and cranny of this pot. You're going to get in there and get it good because it's going to do all the hard work for you, okay? When you are done, turn it upside down in the sink. Then you're going to come back in with a light scouring pad and just lightly kind of buff it out because the oven cleaner has done all the work for you. You don't need to put all that elbow grease in it because the oven cleaner already did it, okay? You're going to rinse it. Once you get in there, rinse everything. Look at that. All that old seasoning that bent in there where they said it's supposed to stay, it's gone. Honey, I just saved you a buku bucks, okay? You don't need to go out and spend money buying new pots when you can just use it. Go to the dollar store. Well, it's $1.25. No. Times have changed. It's $1.50, okay? So run there, go get it, clean your pots. Bye.